Okay, so today we're going to install a trim panel in this 2019 Honda CRV. This is the trim panel. Kind of fits right over here, and it's got attaches with these self-adhesive little doodads right here. So first, set it in there. It's going to go pretty much like that. Seems easy enough. So we're going to take the little alcohol swabs that they give you and go around all the places where that's going to contact. Let that dry good and well. And while it's drying, we're going to take off these pieces. Hopefully it won't be a chore. Of course. This helps if you actually have fingernails. This trim kit is I got on Amazon. Not very expensive, but it really dresses up the center console. They make them for all different areas of the car, so if you want, you can add them to all the way down the center console. You can put them on the doors, you can put them on the speaker rings. I guess you can dress it up as much as you want. For me, I don't really care that much, so this is the most visual spot in the car, so we'll do that one first, and maybe we'll see about later. There's a bunch of these little things, as you can see. Hopefully you can see anyway. Sorry about my video ability. And there we go. So just press the little baby down there firm. And essentially, it is now installed. You can kind of see exactly how that looks. And that's it.